Good morning.
Today is March 5th, 2025. The objective is, what does storytelling reveal about identity? And then what do the Canterbury Tales reveal about identity and storytelling? So just a rewording of it. Re, which is one of the prefixes we've previously had, means to repeat. So, today you are going to take your squares. You've each got 2 large squares and 2 small squares. You have pink and purple highlighters and a copy of the Canterbury Tales. You're going to go through it. You're going to find different prefixes that in the book and write them on your squares. When you find a prefix, just color it with your pink highlighter. When you find a suffix that you have, color it with your blue highlighter. Your prefixes you have on your table and cutouts, color-coded, both groups. You also have a pencil on your desk. Your prefixes are D, pro, on. Your suffixes are Y, ly, er, or, ar, ation, tion, ion. Okay, so we're gonna do an I do, we do, you do, groups, and we're gonna bring it all back together and talk about what you got, and I'm gonna walk around. Sound good?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So, examples of your little squares. You will just be doing either a little pink mark or a little blue mark when you find a prefix or one of the suffixes. If you struggle a little bit, that's okay. You ask your table mates, because we learn from our table mates. But of course, I will always be here to help. beginning of your book starts. And then I will also find a suffix. No, let's all find a suffix. Try it.
I see suddenly on page 5 of the prologue.
On page 5 of the prologue, suddenly,
Like right there.
we've got suddenly. Wonderful. Anyone else want to do one? Paxton. Gradually. Wonderful. So we've got the ly and the l. We got two ly suffixes, and we got a pro prefix. Now, it's your turn to find them. You can look anywhere in your book. I know we've covered a good bit of the book, but you can use anywhere in the book to find any of the prefixes and the suffixes you want. If you do see one that we did not have on the board in the I do and we do, you can most definitely look on the very first page and page 5 of the prologue if you want. That's a prefix. Our prefixes? They're also on the board. Don't forget, like we always do, anytime we do an activity, when we find a word, we put in parentheses beside it what page number it comes from. Does it have the prefix D on or pro? Our prefixes? These are our suffixes. Is that one of our prefixes? No, but that's okay. You can always look on the prefixes right there on your table and the ones on the board. If you're struggling here, you should ask your table mate. Here. Here. You found one? That's great. So it'd be a suffix, so it'd be blue. You just write the word and then put what page number it's on. Good job. If you're struggling, son. That's actually a good question. Okay. Your table mates, do you?
Can I use unnecessary?
Ask your table mates.
Can I use unnecessary?
Good job asking your table mates. I'm very proud of all of you. Y'all are doing a great job. We have about a minute left till we do group work. Well, just a little bit less than a minute.
You guys, can I use the pen? And
If you don't forget to put it in our page number in parentheses. You've got mention on page 32. That's one you can definitely do. Okay, time to work as a group. So, this group, you will work together, find other ones, and on the squares that you have, so for the group work, on the squares that you do as group work, you'll have whatever one it is, like whatever prefix or suffix it is, it's colored. You'll have the word, you'll have the page number in parentheses. But you can also put a G down at the bottom for group. And it doesn't matter whose paper it's on, just as long as you work as a group. Sound good?
Yes.
Good deal. Group work time. It's group work time.
Unwilling, well, unwilling.
So group work one. Yep, good job. Yep, okay. And you can use anybody's, you can always use anybody's big sheet or a small sheet, does not matter. As long as your group work ones just have a G at the bottom. That way I know it's group work, you know it's group work, and we have the other stuff on it. That's the only thing different.
We'll put it on this thing. No,
Can I put a line? And it's L-Y.
Say was technically suffix.
Can I do that?
And say was a suffix
Yeah.
on page 36. Say was.
That's what I'm trying to find something, prefix would be,
Oh.
I haven't found one like that. I found yes or 7.
I found, no, I ain't found it. Yeah, I did, declare.
Are y'all working good as groups, finding them, labeling them?
Yes.
Good deal.
Okay. Okay, I need to say this point.
I got,
Well, ask them to make sure. It's
I
group.
got 2 letters.
Yeah, right.
It's group, so make sure you talk. Someone finds one, you tell the others, you see it, you all turn to that page, we look at it, we all make sure we all agree at the group.
ED, right, grapple.
That is a suffix. You can turn your paper over and write it as a bonus, but it's not one of our key ones, but it's most definitely a suffix.
Right.
can you use parted? Like parted, you guys? Can we use parted? It's like on page 11. Parted. Or grab. Or grab. Grab.
And again, you can look anywhere in your book.
ED, right?
You can look anywhere in the book.
On page 3. But that was my first one. So I don't know if that's
Prefixes.
You said page what?
page 3, declare.
Yeah, even if we haven't gotten to that book, part of the book, you can always use the book.
Page 20.
Joffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury
Cynthia, do you
Tales.
have Rodney Duncan?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Would you please send him to the office with his things?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Will you write your name on the back of your papers, please? And you can just put your stuff in the green bin like you normally do. Protest? Yeah, just put a G on yours too. G, for the group work one. I'm real proud of y'all for that. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Just leave just leave those on the table, and you can just put your highlighters and your book in the green bin like we normally do. You dropped your highlighter.
Okay, I found, I think that's the thing.
Have a good day.
You too.
I will see you tomorrow. Remember, we've got a vocabulary test on Friday.
Okay.
Have a wonderful evening. Be safe.
You found pro what?
Miss Collins, Painful.
Great group work. Group work. Y'all are collaborating.
They want us to put them back together.
Bigger.
No, that's okay. You have the back, your name on the back of yours? Don't worry about your name until you filled out the ones you currently have. You can always help. It's still group work time. We got just a little bit, we've got a little bit of group work time. We got about a minute and a quarter left of group work time.
Mhm.
That's correct. Good job.
That's Cooper.
Oh, I can't use that.
No.
Miss Cooper.
Have you asked your table mates?
Watch out.
Wait, that one, you had the suffix there? I didn't have that suffix with it. You can use fearfully.
No, I haven't. Yes,
Hey,
fearfully,
Yeah.
page 18. The miller's tale.
Make sure you put a G on it for the group work. Okay, finish the word that you're on for the group work. And time. So, let's talk about what you have. Again, prefixes, D, pro, un, suffixes, Y, Ly, ER, OR, AR, ATION, TION, ION. So, let's see what we've got. Together, what do you have in Y in this table with the suffix Y? You have some LI. Do y'all have any Ys?
Unnecessary.
Unnecessary. Good job. Do you have a Y? We're about to. Anybody else have a Y? Okay. Unnecessary is a prefix. Good job. Unnecessary. It would be both, it has both a prefix and a suffix, yes. So you can have a pink and a blue on unnecessary. That's a great job with the double combo. Very proud. Okay, what do we have some D's? D, E,
Declare.
declare, okay, what else?
Despite.
Despite, louder, sweetie? No, for D. You don't have any? Okay. What about prefix ly? What do we got? Tunelessly? Good job. Heavily, fearfully, yep. Huh? Fragilely? Okay. What about ER, any of the ER, OR, ARs?
Laughter.
Rider, laughter, any, huh? Miller, yes. Wonder, yes. Any others? Summoner, yes, good job. Huh? Rider, good job. Okay. Prefix pro, what do you have for pro? Protest. What else do we have? Protested, yep. Promised, yes. Prologue, absolutely. Rodney has promised. Okay. Any others y'all want to share that you're, any others? Mention. Mention, that's a good TION suffix. Direction, yes. Scholar, that's a good AR suffix, yes. Bigger, good job. Any others? Okay, gladly, I'll come help. Sound it out. Sound it out. Say it louder. Good job. Okay. So, you dropped your paper today. Y'all did really good. I'm very proud of y'all for finding your prefixes D, pro, un, y, your suffixes y, ly, er, or, ar, ation, tion, and ion. I'm very proud of every single one of you. Great group work. Also, do we understand how understanding the prefixes and the suffixes help us understand the story better? Wonderful, I'm so glad. Does it also help us understand about the different people's identities? Right, because it's got a lot of characters, doesn't it? Because they're all tales being told. Okay, so how does that help us? How do our prefixes and suffixes help us with the storytelling?
They kind of describe how some things are.
That's right. Does it help it flow more smoothly? It does? Yes? Sounds good. Okay. Would you please write your names on the backs of your pieces? Oh, before you do that, this group, how many group words did y'all get? So how many you have?
4.
Protest, desire, what
4.
what do you have? Protest, desire,
I got rider,
rider,
protest, and desire.
okay. Yeah, well, y'all have the same ones, y'all did it as a group, so. What do y'all have for,
4.
well, what do y'all have as a group? So,
Wonder.
We got wonder,
Despite unnecessary.
despite, unnecessary, declare, unwillingly, yeah,
And competition.
and competition. Okay. Make sure you have your names on the backs of each of your sheets, please. If you will please put you have your names on the back of all your sheets? Okay, will you please put your books in the bin and your pencils and your highlighters? Just put that there. You can, if you would, paper clip your two big sheets and with your two small. So you would have your two big sheets stacked up and then your two small ones on top, and would you put a paper clip on it for me since your name is on the back of each one? It will all be together. Your book and pencils and highlighters, books.
Scope you want to do.
No, it's okay. Just would one of y'all please get your group members' pages? Thank you, Paxton. Your stuff, please. Your stuff, please. Okay, is everyone's got their names on theirs, correct? Y'all did a fantastic job today. You have a vocabulary test Friday. Make sure that you study for it. Remember, you're important and you matter. I will see you all tomorrow. The bell is about to ring in a minute or two. So you're just going, oh, you've got these highlighters? Would you hand me those two highlighters behind you? Thank you so we've got all the highlighters, you've got everything, you got your team members, very proud of you. Y'all did all great group work today. Thank you very much. I will see you all tomorrow. Oh, after this, you need to wipe down your desk.
Pass out the license proof.
Absolutely, you can pass out the wipes, Paxton.